Good morning to all. 6th standard biology. I hope all have studied the previous lesson question answer. Okay. Then today we studied a new lesson, getting to know plants, chapter 7. Okay. Getting to know plants, chapter 7. Page number 52 in your book, page number 52. Okay, this lesson concept: herb, shrub and trees. Second one, stem and leaves. Third one, root. Fourth one, flowers. Okay, now we goes to lesson. As we all know that Earth is the only planet in our solar system that has the viable condition for a life to exist. While the presence of water and oxygen is the main reason, we must also recognize that life would not have been possible if it were not for the oxygen emitting plants. Life would not have been able to take shape on Earth. These plants are not only our source of oxygen but also the major source of food that we eat. Okay, yeah. So the role of plant is very important in our life. We are depend on the plants for our food. Oxygen, wood, for example, oxygen, wood, medicine, etc. Okay, so we see different plants around us. Plants are essential for life on Earth. Okay, these body parts, plants have some body parts, someone tall, someone short, someone very small. These body parts have, the plants have a leaves, flowers, fruits, stem and root are also different. Okay, plants are different into different categories. Plants are categories on the basis of their size, as small, medium or large. 3 categories. Okay. On the basis of growth habit, the plants are classified into 5. Mainly 3. The first one, herbs. Second one, shrub. Third one, trees. And also 2 classification, climbers and also creepers. Okay, we can classify the plants on the basis of the thickness of their stems and the place of origin of their branches into 3 broad categories: herb, shrub and trees. Okay, the first one, herbs. Herb means these are plants that have green and frail stems. Usually these are small plants with not many branches. It have a soft stem, green and weak stems. For example, rice, wheat, maize, sunflower, mint, tomato, tulasi. Okay, they have several varieties of plants. Okay, the first one is a herb. First one is a herb. Herbs are very small plants with green soft stem. They do not grow more than 3 or 4 feet in height and may not have many branches. For example, tulasi, mint and also tomato. Okay, some common examples. Okay, then we goes to a shrub. Then we goes to a shrub. They are pushy and have hard stem that do not bend easily, and these are plants with the stem branching out near the base. These are plants with hard but not exactly thick stems. Their branches are generally originate from the base of their stem. These are much taller than herbs but usually shorter than trees. Okay. Some common example for shrub: jasmine, lemon, hibiscus. Okay. Jasmine, lemon, and also hibiscus. You see that the picture. The first shrub. Shrub is a medium sized plant with hard and woody stems. Okay. They branch just above the ground. Okay, they branch just above the ground. Some example: jasmine, lemon, and also hibiscus. Then trees. These are plants which are very tall and have a thick and hard stem. It have a thick and hard stem. The branches originated from the upper part of the tree and are very high above the ground. Okay, they are tall with hard and woody stem. The stem is called trunk. Okay, they have a main stem or a trunk from which the branches and leaves grow in the upper part, way much above the ground. A few example: banyan tree, mango tree, and also neem tree. Okay, banyan tree, mango tree, and also neem tree. These are a big plants which have a tall and strong stem. The stem is called trunk. Stems have branches in the upper part much above the ground. It's much above the ground. So herbs are very small. Then shrub, it's a small, medium size. Then trees are very tall. So herb short, shrub is medium, trees are very tall. The three difference. Okay. Then we goes to a creepers. Creepers and climbers. The creepers and climbers are very weak stems. The creepers and climbers have a very weak stem. It is a plants with a soft and weak stem, but climbers, instead of spreading on the ground, climbers ground, they take support with the nearby the object to climb up. Okay, climbers. Creepers is a creepers also here two kinds of plants which are creepers. These plants which have soft, weak and green stems and hence cannot stand straight. The creepers cannot stand straight and instead spread on ground. It is spread only the ground, not straight. Some common example: watermelon, cucumber, pumpkin. Watermelon, cucumber, and pumpkin is a best example for creepers. Okay, yeah. Then we goes to a climbers. These are also plants with a soft and weak stem, but instead of spreading on the ground, they take support with a near object to climb up. You see that a grapevine, the grapevine is supporting to a wood. Okay, yeah. Then money plant. You see that the money plant. Okay. For a best example, pea plant and grapevine and also money plant is a best example of climbers. Okay, yeah. So in this session we studied a shrub, trees, climbers and creepers. Okay, yeah. Then the creepers is a have a weak stem and cannot stand erect. They take support to other trees. Creepers, plant which creep on the ground, spread out. The creepers have a tentacles. The கொக்கி மாதிரி இருக்கும், அந்த இதை வச்சு தரையில் பற்றிக்கிட்டே போகும். அதே டைப் தான் டென்ட்ரில்ஸ்னு பேர். கிளைம்பர்ஸ்லேயும் உண்டு. யூ see the pictures. கிளைம்பர்ஸ் அந்த கொக்கி மாதிரி இதை வச்சு பிடிச்சிக்கிட்டு பக்கத்தில் சப்போர்ட்டர்ஸை பிடிச்சி மேல் பக்கமாக ஏறி போகிறது. இது தரையிலேயே படர்றது க்ரீப்பர், மேல் பக்கமாக ஏறி போகிறது கிளைம்பர்ஸ். ஓகேயா? The two difference in creepers and climbers. I explain again. Herbs have soft green and weak stem. Shrub have bushy and have hard stems that do not bend easily. Okay, these are plants with the stem branching out near the base. Then trees. These are a big plants which have a tall and strong stem. The stem is called trunk. Okay, stem have a branches in the upper part much above the ground. It will live for many years. For example, mango, neem, banyan, coconut also. Then climbers. It have a weak stem and cannot stand erect. They take support of other trees and climb upon them. This is called dendrils. Okay. Then creepers. Plants which creep on the ground and spread out. Okay. It also have a hook like dendrils have. Okay. Today's session finished. Next one we goes to a next session stem. Okay. Thank you.